Should we stay? Or should we say goodbye? Walk away or give it one more try? Diyos ko, mag-move on na kayo. What a waste to let our dreams lose time. And as the days go by, we'll always wonder why.
Ito na ako, ito na.
Salamat naman. Nakaya sa audience. Okay.
I would glad to find one day we're free. This is what we really want to be. Brand new life. We need to have so much. Ba't mo tinatakpan yung bibig mo?
It really is quite tough
when love is not
enough. Very good.
yeah, not enough.
Tell me, how did we find